Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video I'm going to talk about a new feature called AR Lens which was added on the Honor 9 Lite. So this is the Honor 9 Lite and I've received an update yesterday which brought in a new feature called AR Lens. Now let me just show you how it works and how it looks like. So first let's open the camera application. Now this is the front facing camera. Let's quickly go to modes and we have the AR Lens over here. Now this is AR Lens. Now on other phones like Oppo and Vivo it's called as stickers, but Honor is calling it as AR Lens. Now these are the different stickers that we can add and they do look fine. So guys, this is AR stickers. It also has the option to add in a sound effect by clicking this button. So there you go. Next we have background, where it changes the background itself. Now that looks interesting. Now we can also download some more by doing this. But first we need to sign in. So guys, that is the new AR Lens feature. Now we can also use this feature for the rear camera. So we have AR lenses, but sadly we don't have a subject. So guys, that is the new AR Lens feature on the Honor 9 Lite. And we might be able to see it soon on Honor 7X, Honor 9i, and probably all the Honor phones. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like it. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. And if you want me to make any specific video, tweet out to me with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.